Guys, we are here today at the Apple Store, Delhi, Saket. It's in the Select City Walk Mall, and we are very excited to visit the store. This is the second store which came to India from Apple, and today we will go inside and we will hands-on review most of the gadgets which are on display, and so excited. Okay, guys, that's the Apple Store in totality. What you see, it starts here, and that's where it gets over. So it's a pretty small store against what I was expecting. Although all the products, all the popular products of Apple are on display, all the options, color option, all the variants, everything is there. But there is one thing which I'd like to point out, and which came to my notice almost immediately as I was browsing through the sections. None of the products on the display, it has a printed price chart. I don't know why Apple has been doing that, but it was very strange. The price chart was not readily available in any of the categories, be it iPad, iPhone, MacBooks, or any other. So when I asked the employees, they said you have to click on a particular product on the screen and then you will see the price you have to pay. So for me it's a little strange. Normally the third-party Apple stores which I have been to, and also the international Apple stores where we have been, you have the pricing which is immediately available, so people can get a quick overview on how much is a particular model priced at, and compare it with the other products. So this is something which I wanted to highlight. So guys, that concludes our visit to the Apple Store, Saket, Delhi, and it was a quite thrilling experience. This is the first Indian Apple Store I've been visiting, and the employees are pretty helpful over here. They are showing you, they are clearing all your doubts, and they are also helping. I saw many people working at the trade-in. So there's an option of trading in your old smartphone and getting the best value for a new Apple product which you are planning to buy. So that's Gadget Rishi signing off. We hope you enjoyed the video, and to give a 360 of where the store is inside the Select City Walk Mall, this is how it looks. Thank you so much. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and keep sharing our videos, and that shows us the encouragement we need. Thank you so much.